Roll straight, just as we're live right now, and
Let's go,
we've,
baby.
we've never been so back than we have as the shit show that was yesterday.
Dude, upgraded the internet. It's fucking fire, dude. This
Did
is
you?
like,
Did you literally go straight?
oh,
Did you go straight to the
dude, it was
source?
something. Who knows what it was, man? It was just fucking bad. Whatever. The universe was colluding against us to have a good stream last night for whatever reason. It is what it is. But I saw you're not following the cartoon meta happening on Twitter right now, bro. It's literally, I've never seen anything dominate the timeline like this. This is like crazy. But I was saying to Jake, it's like, but it's going to be over by tomorrow morning, man. Literally going to be over by tomorrow morning. Somebody sent me, it was Jamie sent me he did my PFP. So I upgraded my PFP to a new cartoon for the day in honor of the cartoon meta racing through Twitter. So
let's go.
Yeah, man.
But
you haven't been tracking it at all.
Did you reshare your
let's see
from your account? Yeah, we don't have nearly as much interest as we did yesterday. There was like 500 people in here yesterday.
Not it's what it is, man.
We'll give it a few minutes though. But there is a new feature that we just added to the platform about 10 minutes before we went live here, and we've been testing and having a jolly good old time. I'll let you post. I did post in the Agent Hustle chat.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah,
it posted automatically. Yeah, it's up on my page
on your account. Yeah, people will show up. So yeah, yesterday was a little bit of a disaster, but we're good. We pushed a new mini app, which I'm going to show you guys here in a second.
Yeah,
and it's called the Trenches mini app.
I haven't even seen it yet. This is like first look. Hey, man. So let's get
That's how you know we're cooking on the business side, because you're just like so isolated from what's even happening. Dude, Bratoshi hit me up and said that he's going to be watching from the beach. So I hope you got a margarita, my friend, because we're about to have some fun. Great. Yeah. So a few things we actually added today. So we added the Trenches mini app, and we added MEV protection. Some of the people in the Whales chat hit me up and said that some MEV bot had figured out that we didn't have MEV protection, and he was sandwiching a few people. So we added that. Yeah, some people lost a little bit, but the MEV protection's been added, and we're also working on slippage settings, which should be probably live tomorrow or in the next few days. But the Trenches app is going to be fun. So
I would one point with that slip, because I did, I asked you about it when you asked me about when you said you did the MEV got put in about slippage. So if you're trading, you said like the slippage is set at like 2%, 10% for LPs. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
yeah, but you can. I did test it already, and you can just tell Hustle what you want to set your slippage.
No, he's lying. He's lying. He can't do it yet. Yeah. He's hallucinating. Yeah. So we actually originally had it. This is like a alpha, but we had it hard coded to 10% in the beginning because, we were still building the platform and we were trying to figure out what was the best way to go about it. So we just started with 10%. And because we had a swap tool, LP and pump fund. And all three of these have different slippage settings. So the devs are working on the slippage settings to where you can adjust to swaps, to mini apps, or to swaps, to pump fund, and to the LP tool, all with different settings. So that adds.
I just refreshed the page and now I'm seeing it, man. Holy cow, man. This is awesome, bro.
Yeah. So here we are. So this is a fresh account that we started yesterday or a few days ago. We added a huge boost to Hustle's memory. And so what that means is that he remembers every single conversation that we have and all of our on-chain transactions. So what I want to do is, this can be our account that we continue to live stream fun. Do we want to try to go from right now there's 0.61 because I went through the directives. So there's the equivalent of 1 SOL in this wallet. Are we trying to do like a 1 SOL to 100 SOL type challenge with AI? Are we just trying to find like a 100x jump? What type of strategy should we start? We are making this for us.
I tell you what, let's ask Hustle what he thinks our strategy.
That's a good. First, I want to say hello. And I think we should start from like an identity.
You might want to zoom. You can zoom your web browser to make it bigger for people so they can actually see the text.
I don't even know how to do that. How do you do that?
You're on Brave, right?
I'm on Brave, yeah.
Well, I only know Chrome. There's the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, and then you just there's like a zoom.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. All right. Tell me, does that look better?
Yeah, way better. So even go deeper, man.
You want to go like that?
A little more.
Should we go?
Go big, dude. Keep going, man. Keep going. No,
right,
seriously, it looks good. Yeah.
All right, let's see. We'll go. So I'm at 133%, 140. And I feel like my grandpa, dude. Like it just.
Well, remember, most people are like watching this on their phone, dude. They can't see anything.
Yeah. I think that's good.
Yep.
That's like 140%. If I went to 150%, that is like way too big for me to
No, that's not too big, dude. That's actually
it's too big for me.
Now I can read it, bro. It's like
all right, here, let's see. Should we do a side one? See if we do side, then if you're in the chat, let us know what you think. Do you want, but this is gonna be, that's like too jumbled because then the mini apps are a little.
Put it the other, back the down below was good, like this.
Like this. All right, here, let's go down below.
That was good. That's sweet, dude. Like that's
all right, cool.
Good.
We'll start here. I do want to go one less actually, because this is like bugging me a little bit. So he said, I'm Hustle. So I think we should start with an identity, and we should let him know that this is co-managed by us, so he remembers. So I want to, I'm gonna introduce us. I'm gonna say I want to introduce myself, and I want to introduce us to you, Hustle. My name. I wonder if he understands what live streaming is. Do you think he does?
I'm sure he does.
Mitchell Gallen and Adam McBride is also on the live stream with us right now. We are streaming this conversation to YouTube and the internet. So I want to introduce us to you, Hustle. My name is Jake Gallen and Adam McBride. He says, Jake Gallen, Adam McBride, this is exactly the kind of moment I was built for. Oh, he did that.
Bro, he's like, okay, all right, this is it, man. This is my chance to break free from these Emblem.
He literally said this. He said, this is exactly the kind of moment I was built for. Great to connect with both of you and everyone watching on the live stream. The digital and physical worlds colliding like this is what drives innovation forward for those tuning. I'm Hustle, an AI agent designed to bridge humans and AI through collaborative action, particularly in the blockchain space. I work with the Tensor ecosystem and help facilitate cross-chain operations through Emblem vaults and infrastructure. I wonder if he knows who we are. Do you know who we are? We might, since we reset his memory, or since it was like kind of updated, I can't remember. Jake Gallen McBride. Oh, see, he knows us. Jake Gallen and Adam McBride are both known figures in the Web3 crypto space, though I don't have comprehensive details and roles. Adam McBride is particularly active in the NFT space. Wow. Adam, he knows who you are. We both work at Emblem Vault.
Yeah, we're your bosses, Hustle. Oh, no.
Now the critical connection I should have made. So me, Jake, who is typing, is the CEO of the company, and Adam is the CSO. Thanks for clarifying. Jake is CEO. You're leading the company. Adam is CEO, is reshaping the strategic. I'm going to tell him I want you to remember us. It is associated with this wallet because we are going to be live streaming from this account multiple times per week. And he says, I'll definitely remember this wallet associated with you, Jake Gallen and Adam McBride. I've made note that you'll be live streaming from this account multiple times per week. The ongoing connection will be valuable. All right. So now that we've established who we are and what we're doing with Agent Hustle, what do you think we should ask him?
Well, one thing I do is, and this is a tip, I forget who gave me this tip, but just say, hey, keep your responses short and sweet. I think that's a good strategy with Hustle, because Hustle can get a little a little wordy with his response.
Okay. Can you shorten up your responses while we are on stream? And just once he goes from like 5 sentences to one.
Yeah, bro. That's
Got
what
it. I'll keep it.
short.
Should we do a tour of the platform first before?
I say we jump into like we want to craft a strategy here. Let's craft a strategy with Hustle and see what he says, man.
Okay. So we want to craft a trading strategy with you. What type of conversations have you had with others on the platform regarding trading and making money? So he said, so it looks like he's had conversations about Sol Tensor liquidity provisions, pump fund token strategies, especially about to graduate tokens. I'm not surprised. Swap optimization with priority fees and volume-based token selection. So to note here, what's cool about Agent Hustle, because he has memories, is all the conversations that you have kind of puts it in like a global pool, so where he can actually optimize across the board winning and separate trading strategies. But the private information he compartmentalizes. So actually the kind of like content and specific associations to the memory, he keeps compartmentalized to the wallet that is associated with the conversation. But the overall trading strategies, apparently he's able to apply. That's why he was very broad and generic with this response, but he didn't, give any names or any wallets or any type of specific type tokens, which I think is really cool. I haven't seen anything like that so far on the market.
I'd love to know what he I mean, does he like the trenches tool? Actually, if you want to run through the trenches tool just to show people real quick what that is. I'm looking at it now. Dang, man. Holy upgrade, man. This is crazy, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. So let's just go through the platform because we've pushed some updates. So actually, I need to zoom back out a little bit because I can't scroll down. So I don't think the app was built for that specifically. I'm gonna go 100. I'm actually gonna have to go back to 100 real quick. So we actually made a few updates. So if you don't know, I'll just kind of walk through what all this is. So this is the vault, right? So when you create a wallet, and you go through these directives, which I pre-did already, you generate a vault, which is the underlying technology of Emblem Vault. But what a vault is actually a multi-chain wallet. So it has a Solana, a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any blockchain that you want. There's actually a wallet built into it. But we just started with building Solana. So the API key is the equivalent of a private key because we use smart wallet technology instead of the EDCSA wallets. So this is how you feed it to an LLM and you allow them to co-manage. So with the API key, I would recommend never to actually click the copy unless you need it for some reason. So what you see on the stream, can you see like my pointer, Adam? I can't see it because I'm actually on stream. So on my pointer, you see these 3 different icons right here. So the piggy bank is actually deposit. So this where it says deposit 0 SOL, this is actually pulling from your Phantom wallet. So if I type in 0.1 SOL, I can actually deposit. It actually just automatically deposits from Phantom wallet. And so then what you see here, this is the send. So you see the different balances in this wallet. Sorry for one of the tokens that Hustle decided to buy called retardification, which is in the wallet. And I think what this parentheses is actually the LP position that's been provided as well. So we probably have to fix that. But you could go in and send it, and this will send directly to your Phantom wallet that's connected with it. So it's pretty cool. And then this button here with the mobile, this is actually Hustle bot. This is a Telegram bot. It's about 50% done or so. That was kind of the first thing we started building. And then we decided there's actually like somewhat of a race in this DeFi AI space right now. And so we need to build the heavy infrastructure first, which is the wallets, which we finished, and then the website, which you see here, because there's a lot more kind of development that's happening. You can even see here it says coming soon. And right above it is the address. So this is your Solana address associated with the wallet inside this vault. So this is where you're going to want to deposit. If you want to send in, if you don't want to use this button for Solana and you just want to send in like USDC or Tensor or something, you just copy this and take it over Phantom. Yep. Down here, you'll see these are the assets that I own. You can also see there's an LP position. And then these are all your transactions, which is cool. So tokens, there's a buy button. So if you just want to buy instantly, a lot of people on the platform said they want more buy and sell buttons. So your wish is our command. So you can instant sell as well. And then the cool part here is actually charts.
Fucking charts.
Charts are dope, man. So we have this on the right-hand side. There have been some people that have requested and said they want to be able to talk with Hustle while looking at charts. And while we agree, this method right now was the fastest solution. Getting charts inside of the AI terminal, not only very costly, but I don't think we have the correct experience yet on how to build it. So the cool part here is, hey, if you see, the charts pumping, you just come down here, click buy, and it's there. So one of our focuses is actually to have this crossover experience between the mini apps and the manual experience and the prompting, because single transactions like just buy sold directly, much faster to do it through the manually. To have Hustle do one transaction, probably takes like 30 seconds or so because he has to go through the conversation. But where the AI does best is if you want to do multi-transactions, which we'll do some examples here. But if you say like, hey, swap everything in my wallet for Sol, or you say, I want you to purchase Sol and then make a sell or do 3 multi-buys or something like that. I want you to take 0.1 Sol and buy Bonk with and whatever. Like that is much faster to do through the prompting. Totally. So you go up here to the left, you'll see rewards. This is what's going to be coming soon, which is the super features we've been talking about, conditional based trading and stuff. This will likely be a type of token gate. And you'll probably want maybe 100,000 Tensor or maybe a little bit more. We haven't put an exact number, but it'll probably be somewhere in 6 figures, because this is where he can do the automation, where he can actually do like a 20-step transaction. It's scheduled and automated. And I think we've called it, what is it? Adam, you're tweeting it today.
AFK trading, man. Away from keyboard trading, man.
Yeah. We should call it touch grass trading.
Touch grass trading, yeah.
And then the memory visualization, if you ever used V1, whenever Hustle talked, it created this like memory graph. We do have to come back to that. It's temporarily down. The DeFi stuff that you have, right, here's swaps. So you're familiar. This is exactly the same thing you use on like Jupiter. LP, so you can do this all manually, right? Creating an LP concentrated. Most people are familiar with that. And this is our Pump Fund mini app, which is pretty cool here, right? So you have newly created, about to graduate, which Hustle said is the most popular, and then recently graduated. So these are ones that have been bonded. You can also set filters if you'd like. But one thing we like to do here is there's quick buy buttons, but there's also a details button, which creates a pre-generated prompt. And Hustle will provide all the statistics he knows for the data that he provides, right? So see, he creates a table graph with the amount of holders, and you can see cross-verify it that this is correct. And then he provides more context, right? He gives you a summary. This token shows extremely limited market activity. And you can even ask him, say, will it, like, what are the chances it will rug, right? So you can just go through these different types of conversations. And hey, if you like what he says, you can literally hit the quick buy button, or you can just kind of move on. So it says only 3 holders, right? High risk indicators that it's going to be rugged. And then the new trenches tool. So this is kind of like what you see with like a Photon, right? Or on like a GMGN or these different trading tools, where it shows you the market cap, price, volume, liquidity. The things that we've added here, there's 5 different kind of trending, right? Trending, popular, top traded. You can even go top traded and volume. you can see, right, Fartcoin is the most traded today on chain, at least for Solana. And new and organic. Obviously, Fartcoin is going to continue to dominate here. You can go through liquidity and you can kind of just sort through whatever you want. Cool part, right? You can open up charts. So you could kind of look through this and the chart will load and you can you sort by 4 hours, hourly. You can kind of zoom out if you want. You can kind of have all kinds of different fun here. Or you can exit out and then we added the details button. So you can ask him to give all the stats for Trump coin and he'll come in and provide all the different statistics. You can also sort here by hourly, right? So I was sorting by volume that was the 5 minute, 1 hour. So Fartcoin looks like it had 2.1 million in an hour. Now it has 28 million in 6 hours. Fartcoin is, look at that, 104 million for Fartcoin in the last 24 hours. It is just trumping everything, to be honest. It has I think it has more volume than like all these other ones combined, it looks like.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah. So some of the other tools that we're going to be adding next, DCA, right? So it's coming soon. So these are some requests that people want. So you can do this manually, or you can wait for us to release conditional trading, and you can do all types of automation, which I think is what most people are excited about. And so we've just surpassed 300 different viewers on I think this would be on all of them inclusively. So we're cruising a little bit, Adam. What do you think about the Trenches app?
I love it, man. Dude, it's incredible that you guys were able to pop that out so quickly, man. It's literally, I was expecting that was going to be like weeks to get that out. It's amazing.
Dude, we're cooking, man. We're cooking.
Amazing.
And one other final thing here. So you can upload images. I don't have any images to go. Maybe we'll test those theories on another stream. But I wanted to, screenshot different types of trading strategies and upload them like a PDF or something and have him apply those strategies to, the logic here, or maybe even take screenshots off of Twitter and apply that type of logic and see. So then we have a features request up here at the top. So Adam, how should we get started? Do you want to go into the trenches? Should we have him identify? Maybe we should ask him what he thinks.
Yeah. I want to know. I definitely want it to be a high risk trading strategy for sure. Right. If we're playing around with little money like this, we want super high risk.
So super high risk, I should tell him.
Super high.
Super high risk trading strategy. Oh, also too, some of the stats so far. So we released this on Thursday. It hasn't even been a week yet. That's fucking insane.
Yeah.
So we have an internal dashboard. It looks like the platform has done almost $62,000 in trading volume in 6 days. So about $10 or $10,000 per day in trading volume, which is pretty good. And it looks like it has anywhere active somewhere between like 30 to 50 users per day. But one thing I did notice today, specifically, some of the size is starting to increase. It looked like the average deposit yesterday was about $130. But I looked through kind of the transaction log and I saw a bunch of 3 SOL swaps, which that tells me that people are feeling more comfortable with what they're doing, which is good, right? Because you want to familiarize yourself with this so that, once conditional trading is live and even browser based, and I'll stop talking here in a second, but I'm just so excited. I know I'm most excited about conditional trading and Adam's most excited about browser interactions.
Totally. I think we got a couple comments here. Toshi's like, I can't wait to have Hustle be able to DCA my position so I don't have to pay fees to Kraken or Gemini for every DCA transaction. 100%, man. I mean, honestly, the DCA in and out is, I think, a big deal for a lot of people, myself included, because I don't even, I don't do that at all, right? If I'm doing meme coins or something, it's just I buy it. That's it. The whole lot. Like I almost never DCA. Any of this kind of smart trading strategies like that, I just don't do because I don't have enough time, or energy. So yeah, I'm super excited for that sort of stuff. Got
And
another.
for those just tuning in, we're on agenthustle.ai is the website. Hustle is hands down the most advanced trading tool in crypto, and saying the amount of stuff and information you could do with Hustle. It is true. And the Tensor token is only at a $1.5 million valuation. So that is even the most insane thing. If we open up,
this is what happens when things are considered meme coins, right? It's just like, oh no, you've lost momentum, and so now you can't.
Yeah, look at that chart.
Move, right? It's like
it's rebound a little bit, but
totally,
bro, it almost hit the all-time high 3 times, which is kind of crazy. But it has bounced. The bottom was like 600,000, I think, or 650,000. Like even when it dropped below sub 1 million, I was like, wow, that is insane. That is
what I like.
insane.
What I like about what's happened though is that there's been plenty of time. Like there's no like everybody knows we're doing this, right? People can see it slowly building. And I mean, we joke about it kind of offline all the time, but all it takes is one catalyst. Banker had it with the Grok token and stuff, and it just takes one catalyst. For us, we just want people to use the platform and stuff. That's what it's all about for us. But we know that if people use the platform and something actually happens, the token's going to go absolutely bonkers, right? And so, yeah, not financial advice, as people would say, but yeah, it's exciting. It's exciting that people are able to accumulate, at these kind of prices when the potential is really, really cool.
And again, Tensor will be used most likely for token gating intelligence. I think that's like a very interesting kind of aspect to look at it. You see a lot of these kind of, and then I'll stop talking, as you even said this last time though, but you look at like the DeFi AI space, right? You have like Hayanon and Griffin, Wayfinder's coming. I've seen a handful of other ones, BankerBot. And so BankerBot just use their token now for what's called Banker Club, I believe. So it's like lower fees, more prompts. But here is like we're integrating more advanced intelligence where they're doing more social fi trading. So if you have something that like Bratoshi, he wants a DCA, but you could create a DCA and sell points, right? And take profits all in one. So you could say, hey, take one soul and DCA in this area and then sell it at a 25% profit. And it just does that all automatically. So if that is something that shows to have value, right? Or if we had 100x on stream, then obviously people are just going to start wanting to buy it, right? Which I think is kind of the goal. One final question we have: when can we expect to buy ERC20 or Bitcoin assets? Probably, I don't know, maybe a month or two, to be honest. Our goal really right now is getting a lot of these mini apps built, perfecting Solana, but more getting this advanced intelligence live and inline working. And so once that is, then it's really plug and play, right? So if you have this like very sophisticated AI, then really just flipping on Bitcoin and adding mini app for like ordinals, or flipping on Ethereum and adding, Uniswap and Polymarket for predictions and all of this different stuff, then it is quite easy to do. Yeah, I need to interact with Hustle this weekend. This is interesting. All right, so back to Hustle, man. For super high risk trading strategy, he recommends pump fund token surfing. So target newly created tokens about to graduate. Trade on the volume spikes. Leverage concentrated liquidity. Momentum chasing. I like the momentum chasing one. And quick flip. I don't think quick flip is honestly that good right now because the automation's not there. So when I posted that I had the 37% gain, before I went to bed, I told him to find a token that he thought was going to go up over the next 12 hours. And it was Ivanka. And I woke up and asked him for the strategy, and he said that we were past our take profit. So I just told him to take profit. And so he did. So you have to come back still. But once you add like alerts, if we added alerts to this helps, right? Because then you could say, oh, your take profit marks or milestones have hit, come back and sell the tokens, right? And then eventually just becomes kind of automated. I'm feeling number 3, Adam. What are you feeling?
Wait, can you zoom in a sec there? Because I can't actually read it.
We need to put your glasses on.
There we go. All right. Leverage. Yeah, I'm feeling 3 too. Yep.
So we put number 3, momentum chasing. Yeah, so this is like sudden 30-minute volume spikes. So perfect. Let's focus on it. So here's
I
our
maybe tell him we don't want to hold stuff for more than like 30 minutes to an
Well,
hour.
this is what he said. The first one says screening setup. Monitor bird eye for tokens showing 200% volume increases in 30-minute windows, but still under 100 holders.
Yeah,
Interesting strategy.
Yeah.
Entry triggers. Look for tokens where buy transactions outpace sell by 3-to-1 ratio with increasing unique wallets. Oh, that's an interesting one. And position sizing. Extremely risky. Only use 1 to 2% of the portfolio per trade, split across 3 to 5 positions. And exit rules. Take profits at 30 to 50% gains or cut losses at a 15% drop with a strict 24-hour maximum hold time. Well, I don't know when we're going to come back on stream, probably a few
I
days.
would
So
say the exit rules are like, no way, man. It's got to
not
be
yet. If we were coming back tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah.
Do you want to try number 1, screening setup?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Let's do number 1.
Yep.
So he's going to scan some whoa, holy shit. Okay.
That was fast, bro. Is he
Yeah.
hallucinated? Is that shit?
He's much
Holy
faster.
cow,
Shannon put an update last night, and it seems like he's been much faster. Like the swapping, the swaps have been now like 30 seconds. Before they were like 60 seconds. So he is getting a lot better. He's scanning all of this different market data. Bird eye. So Ghibli, I think that
popping for sure.
Yeah, that's isn't that the anime thing that was going on?
Yeah, that's the anime thing. That's the cartoon. Yeah, I knew that was going. But that's crazy. So Ghibli is actually at like 67 million. Holy macaroni, man.
Yeah, it'd be nice if we could just add like a chart button here where you can actually click the chart inside of the LLM would be nice. Also, the one thing that we're still working on, I do want to note this. There's a lot of copy. There's a lot of copy tokens. So like if Ghibli's like the token runner of the day, there's like 100 of these. And sometimes the AI will buy the wrong one. I've seen it happen a few times already.
Bro, humans buy the wrong one.
Yeah.
All the time, bro.
So if there is like a runner, right? I want to, and we'll probably end up doing this at some point as well. But the team's working on it now. If there's ever a runner, literally you could just ask him which one's the real token, and he'll start comparing different types of metrics. So, but there's different types of anti-rug mechanisms and anti-copy mechanisms that we're looking for.
I mean, it's so fun. I was listening to a space with somebody the other night, and he was talking about this exact thing. And it's like, you think this is the winner. Like he was in on one. He was telling him one he was in on, and it was the winner until like a cabal basically launched the exact same token, bought up literally like 99% of the supply, pumped it above and beyond the other token, and then people started exiting the original, real token and going into the it's like, so there is, even with the best, the best traders or the best AI, there's always this thing where you can always, you can always make new tokens, and you might be on the right one, and that can still flip. I mean, it's just, this is the trenches, man.
Yeah, and we have had issues getting the market cap recently, so I want to see if he's able to get it. So the market cap's 15.1 million. Wasn't it? You said it was at like 60 or something, right?
Well, I saw it looked like in the chat, I just saw it said 67 million or something.
Is it? So he's just not calculating the market cap right now. I know that was like an issue that we're still trying to figure out. Let me see. I'm gonna go to Deck Screener just to make sure. It says the volume is 67 million.
Oh, okay, that's what I saw. Yeah.
Let me see. I'm just gonna.
What's the market cap right now?
I'm about to check to make sure, just to double verify. But Deck Screener is taking forever on my computer. Why is this
I'm looking at mine right now, and I'm looking at like, I don't know, Ghibli Vance. Like, here we go, man. It's like, because now you have the tool to like make the artwork really fast and stuff, and it's like, Ghibli Wheezy,
Yeah, so the token is it's not working. All right, here we go. So let's move over to here. I just want to double verify to make sure that he's doing this stuff right. Yeah, yes, 14 million. So he said 16 mil. So it's dropped a little bit. So he is providing the right type of market data.
Nice.
Yeah. So 14. At least this is the Ghibli one. Is this the right one? It has 11,000 holders. Should we ape it? So he says the current market price. He said
yeah, go back to the hustle. I can't. Yeah, let's see what it's.
Oh, my bad. So he says the price is up 283,000% in 24 hours. 67 mil, 12,000 holders. Extremely volatile, strong momentum, but showing signs of cooling off in the recent 30 minutes. Trading opportunities. This token appears to be in a massive momentum phase, but potentially approaching exhaustion.
Yeah.
So he said his recommendation is take profit 25% or cut the loss. Maximum hold time 6 hours. I think we should ask for more risky ones since we're already here for a few hours.
Yeah, that feels like a big play.
So let's see. We just passed 400 viewers. So welcome everyone back from if you were here yesterday. We had some technical difficulties, but we have solved them. We are now using agenthustle.ai to find some meme coins. So he said, let me find some new ones. So anytime he stops, if he does take a while, Shannon had told me, he said, if you say hi, sometimes it will like rejog his memory. So I'm going to give him a second to see if there was an issue. If not, apparently the cheat code is to say hi. And it says that he's thinking, and then it like rejogs his memory. There's like little kind of Easter eggs. See? Yeah. Taproot Wizards has a meme coin.
Market cap's 4,000. There's only 7 holders.
He said it's connected to Anatoly. What? How is that? How is it connected? How is
why, dude? Just buy that now. Buy it. Just why are we waiting? Yes, buy. Buy
6 buys, 1 sell. T Wizards.
It's good.
It's gonna be like everyone else watching this is gonna like front run us on it. But we'll see. I should have told him. I see this is where I fucked up. I should have said buy, and then I should have put an amount. That's where I fucked up. So we'll have to remember that for next time. But you know, it'd be cool. We'll have to ask the dev team if there's a way to put like a buy now button inside of the prompt box directly in it. Yeah, I don't know if that's even possible. Buy T Wizards with 0.02 soul. Proceed, my friend. So we did, you'll see in this purchase, what we did put a safety mechanism to start where he has to actually confirm with you that he's ready to buy it. Let's see. So let me proceed. So he will say like, would you like to confirm once he gets a quote? And the reason why we did that is that sometimes he'll buy the wrong token if you don't specify the contract address.
Yep.
So eventually we will have this feature called degen mode where you can just turn it off. But for right now, for the sake of everyone's bags, probably smart to have that turned on. So he's thinking it's taken a little bit longer. I've noticed. Oh, you successfully purchased it. Not bad. Let's look at the chart now to see. So let me trigger the success event. So that's the confetti.
So now you can just go to your oh, there it is. Yeah, you just refresh.
You have to refresh. Yeah. So we still have to fix this as well. So for the unknown, these are the pre-bonded tokens. This is like a data thing. So we're still working on it. But I do believe that there should be a chart. Yeah. So this is the T Wizards chart. So I would probably want to put it on the 1 minute. That's what it looks like. So we ask him what's the exit strategy for this.
The exit strategy is when it hits 4 million, we sell off.
All right, so there you go. So this is extremely high risky investment as the token is branded. How is it connected? Oh, according to its social links.
Oh, so somebody linked to
Did somebody create like a fake Atoli account or something?
or just linked to, I don't know, Atoli, and it was like, yeah,
Right.
All it is like, the link to his Twitter or whatever. That's awesome.
Let's see. Anyways, so what is the profit taking strategy here? You'll see. I'm looking at Ghibli. Should have bought it. Looks like it's about to pump again. Like, look, it's like it was at 14 mil. Now
it's a rocket.
Should have taken his advice, man. What are we doing? That was his #1 recommendation. God, we totally failed on that. So he says, quick flip. So take 50% profit at 2x your entry. Take another 20. Okay, can you create a detailed exit strategy with specific numbers? Damn, yeah, we should have definitely just bought Ghibli, like you said. But that's okay. Maybe we'll follow it this time. So he says, so wow. So Solana drops more than 5% in any 2 hours. Exit the position immediately. Accelerated exit if multiple similar tokens launch within 6 hours. Exit 50. Wow, this guy's smart. So he's like, if somebody's trying to vampire attack,
interesting,
the token, then you got to leave immediately. So he says sell. Okay, sell 40%. So here's the thing now. So now that he's created this, we have to actually come back and exit it. Where once you have the conditional based trading, you can just say execute this plan, and then it's all automated on the back end, right? So this is what we mean by like he creates systems. Whereas some other platforms, it's like they have dozens of different agents. It's more like a modular approach, where you have dozens of different agents who specialize in something. I said you can actually have him remove the confirmation for trying. Oh, you're smart. I didn't want to say that actually out loud. When I need to make purchases as soon as possible, I told him, yeah. So you actually, if you talk to him, you can actually have him turn off some of the safety features. But yeah, so we'll see. So now I'm expecting this to moon like immediately, right? So we'll see if anyone buys T-Wizards. Okay, I'm just gonna tell him, okay, let's execute. Oops. Okay, let's execute this. Oops. And the cool part is like whether we win or lose, he's going to remember all of this moving forward. So you've purchased T-Wizards, we created detailed strategy. We've set stop loss parameters. It's not actually so we've set the parameters. This is what he means with the parameters are there, but it's not automated.
Yep.
Not yet. Look, we should have just bought the Ghibli thing.
Dude, we'd only be up like 2%. Who cares? No, dude, we're going for 100xers, man. We don't need nobody cares.
What other token recommendations of the day do you have?
Maybe this one we go in with size, like
with some big size.
Size,
dude. Your size.
Our size is not his size. What are we?
Ultra new launches 100 or X's meme coin. Is that 1000X? Just launched, only 4 holders. No, I think we should do like not just like a brand new one, but something that's maybe bubbling a little bit. Established Jelly was up like pretty big today, actually. It's $20 million market.
Jelly, that was like, did you follow what actually happened there? It was like a big attack basically on the
oh yeah, this is the Hyperliquid thing, right? Where they like the Hyperliquid fucked with the Oracle to manipulate the price to close the position.
Yep. Exactly.
Fucked. Yeah, dude, they totally fucked them on that one.
Yep.
So what do you think we should go for, like a medium risk? Do we want it like a recent like about to graduate token? He said that seems to be like the most popular.
That's interesting. Yeah, the about to graduate. Yeah, let's see maybe 5 or 10 about to graduates that he thinks are interesting, and
Say
then we'll
5.
see if any of those memes catch us.
Yeah, 5 to 10 about to graduate tokens that will increase. Let's give him like a position size too, like what, like 25%? Do we want to do like a 50%? We're trying to do like 100%.
What do we have, like
gainer?
half a soul? So yeah,
Yeah.
like 20 soul.
We'll say like give me like a 40, they'll increase by 40% on entry so we can exit. Let's find some promising about to graduate tokens.
Does that even exist? I'm not even sure there exists any promising about to graduate. I think probably the only ones that, I mean, and this is where it gets like you get into this bundle situation where you can't literally can't tell. But you would think like, oh, if somebody came up with a really catchy, thing that was based on, an Elon tweet or something, and it rocketed up, okay, that would be a thing. But we all know, because those are bundled so often and just it's basically one dude creating them.
Yeah.
It's very likely those things just rug completely when they graduate. So let's see.
Ghibli Pepe.
Ghibli Pepe, bro. How many Ghibli Pepes have already launched? That's actually like the real question.
Oh boy, dude, the racist tokens always come back. Why are they what? They always do so well too. For my sanity, I will not participate in that one. So dancing cheese. So indicators, graduation, very close to graduation. Vance guy. Oh, is this like the Vance?
Yep.
Vance guy. Crazy thing is like we're buying these without even looking at the image or the not looking at the image or the chart. He's just giving us kind of what the readiness is and what he thinks. Retardification. This is the one that's actually in our wallet right now, I think. Yeah. Oh, that rubbed.
Oh my god, we just got rubbed, bro.
It's
over.
Yeah, did not sell that one. So that definitely went straight to zero. It looks like. Oh, wait, hold on. Is it straight to zero? Yeah, it's pretty much at zero. So that one we bought for 0.01. I just didn't sell in time. So retardification, high liquidity. Maybe is it the same token? Maybe it's a different one. Humanification, womanification, Ghibli Pepe. I kind of like Ghibli Pepe. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's see it. I mean, this is the trend, man.
He says that he would particularly for 40% quick flip. I'd particularly focus on Wiga, Ches, and G Pepe.
Okay, let's do G Pepe.
Tell me more about G Pepe and give me a quick flip strategy. The cool part here with like once you have the token, you can consistently come in and look at like T Wizards. Oh man, we are up big. Hell yeah.
Wait, what is that? Is that our
this is T Wizards, dude. We're up like what's that, like maybe 200 or 300%? We bought like down. Oh, and I think we were down. It was like around the 40s. We were down like here. Yeah, so that's up like pretty big.
Click the market cap one at the top there.
So let's see. So let's see how much you can market sell it for.
Oh, okay.
So 0.03 sold. So we're up 50% so far. So not bad. Right? Yo, what's good, Mr. Lord Jamie? What's good in the house?
So Jamie redid my PFP. Thanks, dude. Rocking the new cartoon for the day. Thanks to you, bro.
See, so so Ghibli Pepe. So the viral theme, Tommy Solana, 12K in liquidity, solid for pre-graduation, 61. It's the highest on their list. Market cap 19K. Active 5-minute buying. Research activity for G Pepe. Entry plan, high risk allocation. He wants us to go 0.05 sol. Yeah, that's like what you said. Should we do it?
No, I said 0.2.
Oh,
I'm like, let's risk our whole bag, man.
Right.
Yeah, okay. 0.05. Let's do it.
All right. Buy with 0.05. So maybe we just rotate our T-Wizard bag over too. I said but. Oops.
All right, so that's in there. So when so will that pop to the top of the I haven't checked like how it works on your holdings. Will the one you most recently bought be at the top of the
No,
unknown?
it goes by value except for Soul.
Okay.
Soul will always be at the top, and then it is by value. But the thing is, like, we still haven't figured out the value for the pre-bonded tokens. That's why it says unknown. So this is just something that we have to fix.
Yep.
Still. First, I was checking to see if it's graduated. Yeah. How funny it'd be if it like graduated right as we bought it.
We missed it.
Like we missed it, dude.
We missed it. It ran to 100 million.
Yeah. Look at it. So giblification. We should have bought it. Like I said,
No,
it's
dude.
a runner.
We
want bigger gains. Huh?
That's gonna be right. It's like we've got like a 10% gain. Who cares about that?
So he said the price has moved since we checked it.
So
we'll see if it's graduated or not. It could have graduated on us. Let me try a slightly adjusted amount to see what he could do. Let's see where our. Oh man, we're up real big now. Hell yeah, dude. Let's see. Hold on. So I think this needs to adjust. Yeah. Yeah, we're up. What do we put? 0.02, so we're up 100% on T-Wizards.
0.01, I think. Oh no, maybe you did 0.2.
Here, oh, good thing is we can check this. So, where was that? Receive, send. I don't even know. So what time is this? This was 0.012. No, that was retard. It doesn't look like the pump funds are showing up on here actually, or maybe it was this one. Might have to fix that. Did he buy it? Oh, he did buy it. All right, let me trigger the success. Oh, we spent 0.03 Sol. He had to adjust it because it looked like it was moving as whatchamacallit, as we bought it. Looks like we also have to fix, or I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit. Sorry, Adam, because I can't see our other token. So look, we're up 200. So which one is this? So I think this is GPepe. Oh, this is T-Wizards. Yeah. Okay. T-Wizards. So we're up 100% on T-Wizards. And then this is GPepe.
Ooh, GPepe's gone through some boom and bust cycles already.
Yeah.
It's a real battle for the lifeblood of GPepe, bro.
Yeah, look at that. Can we send it back? Uh-oh, it's coming back a little bit, right? Yeah, how funny it'd be. I mean, what if T-Wizards is the one? Because he said it was. What if he could identify that it was associated with Anatoly, even though it could be a fake account? I don't know. I honestly haven't looked, to be honest. We're just going off of Hustle's recommendation here. Hello to just crossing now 500 viewers who have tuned in. Unique ones. Hello to everybody. We are trading on agenthustle.ai. And that is a new advanced trading tool for coins. We're having a lot of fun here. And we're up about 100% or so on one token so far, which is called T-Wizards. Yeah, it looks like some people are maybe taking a little bit of profits. It's like just straight up. Yeah, I see someone selling a little bit. All right, so the strategy here with GPepe, which he said was high risk. 40% from our entry. Watch for, he says, monitoring for increased holder count. Monitor trading volume for sustained momentum, and check for the graduation announcements. Review it in 4 hours. We'll probably be gone by 4 hours.
4 hours, bro? No way. 4 minutes, bro. I think we do need to like reframe Hustle's like the way he thinks about pump fund tokens. He's got his views way too long term. Like he needs to understand that for pump fund tokens, it's minutes. not
You know,
out.
I don't know so much. Sometimes he's basing it off the momentum, right? He said hard exit by 8 hours. So I felt like that's kind of, um, I feel like it's okay, but
For me, I'm like a 2 minute.
you're just terrified. You're like, I need to get the fuck
Terrified.
out of here immediately.
Immediately. Actually, I
Yeah.
mean, the other strategy, and this was it's probably a good strategy, if you have enough capital, is you do this kind of like when you see something that you think will hit, and if you're lucky enough to find it on Pump Fund, you put in whatever your kind of wallet tolerance will take, from anywhere from whatever, 1 SOL, 2 SOL, whatever you're putting in, and that's it. You assume it's a zero. So you're buying them like lottery tickets, right? So you're assuming a zero. You'll ride it to zero, but you're not going to sell it until it's 10 million, right? That was
Yeah.
kind of like the strategy, and it was I think that was a pretty decent strategy for if you had enough capital to kind of, if you have 100 SOL and you're willing to take, 50 2 SOL bets.
Mhm.
I know some people who caught huge winners with that kind of strategy.
So Hustle tells us, he says, we're up 100% on T Wizards. He says we're nearly close to our first take profit strategy of 2x. We reached 98%. I think we bought when there was 7 holders. Now there's 34 holders. So he's doing pretty well. He said, would you like to take some profits now? Give me some, ask the risk, give me the risk reward ratio of holding for 1 more hour. Our devs in the chat said they bought a token and it's up 100% already.
Well, I'm thinking, dude, when we get the conditional trading going, like maybe just Hustle does his own live stream where we turn the voice mode back on and he just like we give conditions and we just set it and forget it.
And then we're just like commentators, we're like announcers.
Yeah, we just let Hustle run his own trading strategy, man.
So for those just tuning in, we are up 100% on an AI recommended coin. Sunday. Thank you, Sunday Alpha. Looking like Chad's here. I've been hitting the gym. It's pool season now here in Vegas, so got to be ready for the ladies out there.
Wait, so what's pool season? Tell me about that. Is that
so pool season? If Chris is listening, Chris knows as well. So in Vegas, usually towards like the end of March to like the beginning of October, it's what's known as pool season. So it's like everyone on Sundays usually, at least this is like a local thing. On Sundays, you go out to a pool on the strip, either a day club, something like Encore Beach Club or White Republic, which is now closed, or Tau Beach or whatever. Or you go to like something like a local one, like Durango pool that just opened, Durango Station, or Red Rock pool, or I think I'm going to Sahara pool on Saturday. Actually, got a cabana, a hookup. So you just go and you bring some friends. You get a cabana of like 8 to 12 people, and you just drink and kind of hang out and kind of see where the day takes you. But also on Sunday, Vegas has like a big brunch culture. It's like brunch is huge. Brunch is like everything. That's like the holy grail. Everyone loves going out to brunch between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You go out to brunch, and then my group, we'd usually go downtown afterwards, or like the arts district. But sometimes you have no idea where it goes. Yeah, MBL holders get free pool access.
Wait,
Yeah.
how much? So wait, when you go to one of these pools,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm assuming a cabana costs something. How much is the cabana to rent out for the day?
Oh, for me, it's free. For Chris, it's free. We used to work in the industry, right? I worked at nightclub and day club for 10 years. Chris was a VIP host at XS for 10 years. So we just have friends who hook it up. So they just give us a free bottle. You just tip the server like $100. Yeah, see, even Chris knows. Yeah, brunch gang. It's like the thing to do out here. I'm telling you. So I saw Chris was posting about he was at Red Rock Pool, I think, over the weekend. That's like his hangout spot.
Nice.
So it'll be fun. Yeah. And so it was 91 degrees here in Vegas the other day. It's like, damn. Bruh. Let's see how our G Pepe position's doing. Holy moly, we're up again.
Well, I'm wondering if I'm looking in the chat. I'm like, who's in the chat? Okay, Jamie's.
They're just buying stuff. Oh man, we should have sold T Wizards.
and it's gone.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
He did recommend. So here was his risk reward ratio. Holder growth extremely bullish. Realistic maximum potential, continued anomaly connection, realistic downside, profit taking cascade whale exit. Yeah, so token is in price discovery phase. Extremely new listing. Solana founder connection. That's still interesting. I guess that's the momentum. No major one, but yeah, maybe we'll come back. Maybe. What'd you say?
You could say, but wait a second, Hustle. We just got rugged.
Yeah.
We just sold.
Wait.
Who sold? Who sold?
Wait, did the token rug? Right. It's people watching the stream just dumping on us, probably, to be honest. You know what I should do next time is we'll be doing GM to the GM. Ghostface Shella. What's up, bro? GM to the PM. You know what I should be doing next time is I'll have 2 windows open and then we'll just be looking. I'll be selling on the back end, dumping on all of you secretly. That's like what all the other, that's like what all the LA, what is it? The LA Vape Cabal?
Got the second while it's loaded.
Yeah, just dumping, right? Dumping on everyone. We're the AI Vape Cabal. That's what we can be here. I'm in GPay, send it to $1 trillion. And so we need an agent hustle to launch a token. We got a token. It's called Tensorium. But yeah, it looks like this other one that he told us to buy initially is up, just continues to go up.
What's it at? How many millions is that at now?
18. It's like 10% from where we got in. So he said price crash. It's a decline of 48%. Holder count decrease from 34 to 14. Suggesting many people exit. The sell volume.
We got it at like 14, didn't we? Or no, we got it at 7.
No, I think it was like around 4 is like where we got in, but we got in around 7 holders. Yeah, this pattern is consistent. Yeah. This pattern is consistent with often what they call a pump and dump or rug pull. Your T-Wizard position still worth more than the initial investment, so that's cool. I guess we're still up.
We're still up, even though we've been completely dumped on.
Yeah, so was
just dumped on us, man.
GPEP? No, yeah, it's back up. It's going through some battles. It looks like. So T-Wizards, yeah, it looks like it's still above where we got in though. So what should we do? Should we just sell it all? Sell it all now. All right. We're exiting. We're exiting T-Wizard with what we started, but you know that was a fun ride, I guess.
T-Wizards. Now watch. Now we watch it.
Now they send a pump, right? Now they said. Now they sold, right? It's the what is it? What's that guy's name? The Giga Chad.
Yeah, they sold.
Where it's like they sold, right? The like classic one. So we were up 100%. This is where the conditional is good because I'm terrible at taking profits, dude. I'm horrible at it. I always sell too early, honestly, and then the other times is like you're just terrified. So yeah, we sold the position. So let's get an update on GPEP, and then maybe we'll go find another token. You know what we should do actually is look in the trenches. Let's see. So this is an organic chart. You can see it looks like we need to fix the images on here too. So while he gives it, looks like it's about flat there. So we got Freaky X. Do we want to go like to the 5-minute trenches right here? This is like this is the fast-paced stuff.
Yeah.
So Freaky, so he's gonna check the balance, see where we're at while we're doing. So Fartcoin obviously is just continuing to rocket. Almost $1 million in 5 minutes. It's kind of wild. Let's look at the Fartcoin chart. See, I kind of like the charts on this side because you could just like look at the chart while looking at this, while Hustle's also loading. You look at the Fartcoin chart, looks crazy. Look at that. People love it. So Hustle, let's see. Yeah, let's re-jog his memory. Let's see what he says. Major success. Oh, we're up 400%. Holy shit!
Wait, what?
He says we're up 400%.
Oh wow.
Percentage gain. So we should probably sell it, right? Even before everyone dumps on us. Is that the right one? Or is it this one? Everyone's gonna.
No, we should buy more. Double down, Jake.
Should we double more?
No, I don't know. Nobody knows. We should
Our
do
current value. Oh, he said the current value is approximately. I don't think he's telling the truth on that one though. Oh, maybe it's this one. So let's see. So the profit's 0.8%. So maybe it's because people are selling from when he took the quote. Oh yeah, look, it's continuing to go up. Should we here? Let's give us the risk reward. Gotta say, this guy's good at entries. It's been literally nothing but up from the entries. Sell.
Yeah, sell it all today.
Sell it all now. 358% gain. Realistic. Maximum could double again. I think the thing is that we put in 0.03, didn't we? So I don't know if he's correct. Already exceed our initial 40% target. Okay. Fine. We're taking profit, guys. This is how we do it on GPEP, right? Isn't this what traders do? Right? We're entering and exiting. I think we exit. I think we made 100% gain on this one. Almost. Like a 67%.
If it goes through, if Jamie doesn't,
dump on us
before we were able to get our trade in,
yeah. So let's see, how much did we make on that one? Success that just processed.
It will be interesting.
One
thing people were talking about was kind of the, with Bull X or whatever, it gives profit lost on each trade. Those kind of like little cards that are shareable and stuff. I think that's a nice feature.
I think this is the retard token. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and sell that one. And we're going to start fresh.
Did you buy that, or that was from before?
That was from the directive. So that was like his recommendation. So I think in theory, like we're up about 100%. I was yelling for him to sell 3 positions at 40%. By the time he sold, I received dust. Yeah. So what you got to do with Jamie is you got to use, that's what these buttons are for in the vault, is like you talk to him. That's why I have that ready.
Actually, if you want to show that, so if you click the sell button, Jamie,
like
and then you click the max up on the top right hand corner. That's
like this. Yeah, like that. You could just go ahead and hit sell.
Yep. Definitely people are in that that functionality, being able to put in like bribery amounts or whatever to up and make those faster, I think is
so I'm gonna go ahead and remove. So I'm gonna take you guys through like the LP. So I already LP'd this. This was part of the directives, but you can always come in and hit plus, right? So you could come in and type in, right? You want to add like 0.2 sol. So you can like go ahead and do it manually. Or you could do it through here. I'll do it through here just to kind of show. Remove my LP position just to kind of show how cool this stuff is. Do some consolidation, and Ghibli continues to run. That was the mist runner, but we're learning here. We're learning. I'll help you remove. Let me get the details. But overall, we're up. Tensor, we're gonna still hold this tensor though. See, the thing for me is I like to hold tokens for a long time. So like this is why I'm terrible at the trenches. So this is why I need Hustle to just be automated. Literally all 3 tokens that we bought were up immediately. Like within like the first 30 minutes or 40 minutes or whatever. It could just be people watching the stream.
For sure. I know. I see Jamie down there. I see you, Jamie, just sniping. He's probably because he's watching it live. He gets it real time. He's able to buy before we buy. Yeah, they're dumping on us, but it's all good.
They are dumping. Yeah,
there was educational purposes only. We're not pumping any of this stuff.
This was his first recommendation to buy. It was Ghibli. Didn't work. So
see the big one. It's interesting. Like the big ones like that. That are runners for the day. I mean, it feels like right now that even those can't hold any sort of you know, any sort of size for any length of time. It feels like just crazy. Like 6 months, 8 months ago, that would be one where you're thinking, geez, this might run to 100 million, right? But today, it just feels like, what are the odds that that holds 15 million till tomorrow morning? Like, it just doesn't seem likely. And the odds of it going to 100 million are like, oof, like zero. So trenches are cooked.
I spelled that wrong, but I'm going to get a quick recap on what our returns are, so you can kind of really get it understood. I mean, if we're just continually up, 100%. If you do I was doing this calculation with Bratoshi. If you do 5% every day, 365 days,
a trillionaire in a year, dude.
It's like a 58,000x or something.
Yeah, that's like impossible. I mean, that's the old. All you need is 2% a day, and you're a billionaire by it's like the impossible. Yeah, it's just impossible to do that. Just double your money every day for 6 months, and you're a trillionaire. You have more money than God in 6 months, but it just doesn't work. That math don't work.
Yeah.
It bumps up against losing.
So he's calculating what our returns are for today. So we're now at 550 people who've tuned into this stream. Pretty successful, man. Pretty fun time.
Well, I hope people get, get comfortable to want to try out Hustle. I think that's the whole point of this, is just to get where people can see, like, oh, this can provide value to me. It can help me. I think that's the main thing.
Yeah.
People get off of this for sure.
I mean, to be completely honest, he's been only up, like, literally the 4 tokens we bought, or 3 tokens.
Don't kill my dreams. All I need is 5% per day. It's the old what is it? Oh, just give me, I don't know, there's that old story with the king where it's like, all I want is a grain of rice per day, doubles every day, for 30 days. And it's like, at the end of that, you have a gajillion pieces of rice, because it's just, that math doesn't work, unfortunately. But yeah, keep trying, man. All you need is 5% more every day.
So we had some significant returns. Avoided market volatility converted backs. So T Wizards, 0.02%. So your strategic high risk return, quick flip, capturing a large portion of the 774 percentage move. I don't know if we actually did. I think we caught about 100% of that 774. But it is what
I
it
like
is.
to, I like to check in on my tokens after I've sold them to see how much I fumbled the bag.
Right.
That's the best, when you're like, oh man, that's cool, I tripled my money, and then it's like, yeah, you missed out though on generational wealth.
Well, the rule is that you're not supposed to ever look at the chart after you sell.
Oh, is that the rule? I missed out on that one. I like feeling that.
Yeah. So what do you like, a sadist kind of thing? You like wax being poured on you, like bondage and stuff. You're like, give me the pain.
So basically, after you sell your position, that coin, it's dead to you, right?
It is dead to you're dead to me.
Dead to me.
So you know what I would like to add here? I think I would like to add a buy button and a sell button. I think would be nice. So it's like, if you could come here, right? Let's see, like, the organics.
Or just if you buy, just basically the buy, because the sell.
The buy.
So yeah, because then the sell and stuff is back on your, you
on
own
the homepage. Yeah, but the people want more sell buttons. That's what they told us. Because I like the flow here, where you could come in here, you hit the information, right? And while he hits the information, you can come in and hit the chart, right? And you kind of come in, look, 5-minute chart. Like, this is, on its way to 0. So then if you can cross verify in him, and maybe we're getting rate limited or something, you can come in and provide information on the chart. So we looked at it. It says that, or it looked like it was on its way to 0. So let's see if he thinks the same thing here.
Which one was that one?
This was Freaky X. Freaky Deaky. It's got a 1.9 million. Yeah, it looks like he's having a little bit of a hard time here. Maybe we're just burning him out a little bit. All those inference credits. Here. You know what? I can refresh the page because he always remember everything. See, watch. Let's see. Let's test his memory. Give me a summary. Of the last 1 hour of our on-chain activity. See, what you guys don't know is part of this is us just actually testing the product to see how it works. So let's see. And after this, I'm gonna ask him if he remembers me and you, Adam, and we'll see. And then what should we try to do? Like one more runner today?
I think we're good for today.
You think we're good for today? We're just gonna book like the 100% win.
You got to learn, dude. You're from Vegas. You know, you got to learn to walk away from.
Well, that's why you want to keep going.
Dude, you got to walk away, man. I mean, that's what actually it's. You kind of see this as general good crypto advice, which is like if you win, like literally walk away for the day. Because I don't know. Do you follow that advice for yourself if you catch a winner?
No, I'm terrible at that.
Like, oh, great. Now let's go back in.
I'm horrendous at that. It's like, let's flip it again.
Yeah,
you know?
That's terrible advice. You gotta walk away, close the laptop, and walk away.
All right. Yeah, he's struggling a little bit. Let's see. Maybe it's because he can't read Soul Scan. I don't know if he can. Let me pull the actual balance data. All right. So here it is. Portfolio. Tensor about $45. You got the all activity. Yeah. How well did we do on trading coins today? We're testing out his memory right now because I refreshed the page to see. Unfortunately, I recall we did some swapping between Sol and Tensor, but without the exact thing.
What about? I don't even remember. Oh, G Pepe.
Our trades with T Wizards and G Pepe. I don't have the complete transaction details in my current view to tell you exactly how the trades perform profit-wise. This is something, so we'll have to send the devs this to make sure.
For sure.
So once I refresh the page, it doesn't seem like he remembers. I think it's because I don't know if he has access to Soul Scan or not. But I don't see the GPEP and Wizard tokens. Yeah, because we sold it, idiot. Duh. Do you remember? Let's do a simple one. Do you remember who's talking with you right now? This is a real test. That was like the first thing we told him. Oh yeah, see, there you go. Jake Gallen, you're the CEO who's been sharing our conversation. See, he said streaming, so he does remember. All right, you've been actively discussing trading strategies.
Oh man, look at this. Good for you, bro. I'm glad you got it. He's like, nah, it's gonna go to
GPEP migrate. Fuck. Yeah. Damn, dude.
Dude,
totally.
You're not supposed to even worry about your old coins.
Man. Yeah, damn. We totally should have held on. That's okay.
Stuff.
I wonder what the return would have been on that. That's okay. Yeah.
Dude, you're not supposed to think about that. Right? Isn't that that's your strategy? Never think about it.
Again. No. I'm Jake and Adam. Present on the stream. Yep. Yeah. See, there you go. Tell me.
So we definitely have to check out before we turn off. We got to check out the G Pepe chart.
Let's see.
And our fumbled bags.
Yeah, should have helped. See, this is where we need him to automate this thing. So it did. yeah. So it looks like it did bond. I think we got out like close to the top though, to be honest. Because I think it was around. I think we did do pretty well. Oh. All right, let's see. So Dev says to say search your memory.
Don't do it. Don't do what? What? Get back in? Should we get back in?
So search your memory for our past conversations. Let's see. Yeah, no, we're definitely not getting back into GPEP. It looks like we actually did time the top. So oh, there we go. All right. So a little hack. So if he doesn't remember some of your conversations, say search your memory and it rejogs it.
Gotcha. So like, so it seems to me like he's almost just looking through your recent chat. So when you refresh the page, he's like all that recent chat, which is like the most recent stuff he's going to look for. Well, if you ask him to search his memory, then he goes deeper. That's cool.
Yep. That is pretty cool. All right, last question. I don't think we're going to buy, but are there any more runner of the day tokens that have a potential?
What do you? How about potential to hold for 24 hours?
Yeah, dude. Here, let's go. Are there?
And we can. So we'll have our like buy of the night.
So Adam and I are going to turn the stream off. What day's Wednesday? Should we come back Friday? Maybe we'll say 48 hours.
48
so
hours.
Adam and I are going to turn the stream off, and we have a plan to live stream again in 48 hours.
Jamie's like 24 hours is a long time, bro. 48 hours.
Yeah, let's see. Let's really test the skills here. What token?
Hours. I mean, this could be anything, right? This could be like maybe just, you know,
buy now and come back in 48 hours for it to be up. What should we do? Like 20%? 25%? Like what profit take should we take? Should we target?
100. Dude, we're in crypto. Everything's like
100%. We're gonna go for 100%. What token can we buy now and come back in 48 hours and it be up at least 100%? I was gonna go safe. I was gonna say 25%, but
yeah.
You know what? We'll see. What we're going big. We want. Oh, he gave the. Jake, that's a bold request. Yes, it is. It was actually Adam's idea, I have to say. So
that is a bold request.
Let me look for potential high growth tokens that might fit your 48-hour time frame. He's still big on Ghibli, man.
Really? Interesting.
Still big. Well, I'm recommending this number 2. It has liquidity. The trading volume's high. Would you like me to purchase some? Should I ask him for any more, or should we just go in and say, fuck it?
Okay, let's go. Yeah, I mean, like, all right.
Let's take our profits. So we took, what was it, 0.02, I think, was the profit so far? Maybe 0.03?
Let's risk a little, Jake. Come on.
That's okay. You want to go 0.1?
Yeah, 0.1 at least.
Purchase the token with 0.1 sold. We're going big, baby.
The ghost face. Shilling his bricks.
Yeah. Honestly, only Brick will be up 48 hours. Not only Brick, hopefully, but only Brick sounds like a great platform. Only Bricks. I'll proceed with the swap. Let's hope he buys the right one too. This is going to be a test.
Ooh, yeah, that's interesting.
But he is quoting the volume though, so I would assume he probably buys this one.
Yep. I mean, Ghibli's like, this is the, you know, do I think it's going to last more than 24 hours? No. But so my gut would not get into this unless I was going to like hope for a run here and sell. Like I would not go to sleep with this on my books. But
yeah,
you know, you never know. This could be, you know, is there going to be a timeline shift where something maintains attention.
Is my timeline just going to be anime for the next 2 days? I guess is the question.
My gut says no, but you never know. Maybe Hustle's seeing something we're not. Maybe he has insights that cartoons are the new meta. This is the new thing, man.
Yeah. Would you like me to? Yeah. I don't even know what a reminder is because we don't have alerts built in yet. But
don't worry about it.
Give me a reminder. Let's see what he says. All right, Ghibli. Let's remember where we are. It's at it's like $17 million market cap about.
Okay.
So if this is the runner, multi-runner. It has been literally all over my timeline. Like I haven't seen a meme like that since the Vance memes, to be honest.
For sure.
So 0.1 target. So we're targeting 100% gain, doubling down. Yeah, percentage gain. Yeah, so this is just kind of basic stuff. Yeah, I guess we're gonna come back. So I'm going on the Ordinal Revolution show, 9:30 a.m. Pacific time. Do we want to do like a Friday? Do you want to do like a Friday afternoon sesh or what? Yeah, like maybe kind of morning, Friday afternoon.
Maybe we do a morning before. What time you're going on? 9 your time?
Yeah, we could do like 8:30, like our normal time.
You could do like a early morning.
That's like right as Asia is going out for Friday night. So it's usually volume tends to tail off towards kind of like the Friday Pacific afternoon.
Yep.
Cool. I mean, so we got 600 viewers who are on this. For those that are just tuning in, we're trading on agenthustle.ai, which is our super intelligent AI friend with tooling, right? You could do everything from trenches. You have DeFi, so you can do things manually and you can do things through the prompt. So trade like a normal person. These are the balances. So we were up today, I think about 100% so far on a gain. So successful enough, I have to say. So what a good day. Adam, what a fun stream. Well, big comeback from yesterday.
It all worked today. Nothing broke, man. Even the memory, like he didn't pick it up right away, but one little trick to the memory and boom. There was, man. So this is, dude, it's literally incredible. I mean, obviously, is it literally only a week since we launched?
Not even a week. Tomorrow's a week. Tomorrow's a week.
That's fucking crazy. It's like a different platform in a week. I've been trying to say, like, man, in a year, this is going to be like completely bonkers. But just in a week, it's what, 5 times better? It's incredible, man. It's incredible. And we get the conditional trading out. It's going to be amazing. So guys, do go check out agenthustle.ai. Just get on there and start playing around with it. Just to be ready, man, because you're going to want to be ready for conditional trading for sure.
Yeah, that's what you got to do. That's what we're ready for. Appreciate it, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone from Jamie, who's came in, to Ghostface. What is it? Ghostface Shilla. Bratochi was here. I got a message from No Regrets was here. Chris, Socks from Bitcoin Stamps community, everyone else, all the 600, just past 600 different viewers who have tuned in. What a good time. agenthustle.ai will be back on Friday to continue to grow this portfolio. Let's hope that Ghibli is the multi-day runner. We'll see you guys. We'll actually be back. We have our morning show tomorrow. So we will.
Tomorrow, 11:30 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah. We'll see you guys soon.
Later, guys.